Hey y'all, my name is Pistol Hill, and this is a song that I wrote called 28 Times. It's about being cheated on and doing nothing about it. Because let's face it, sometimes that's just easier. It goes like this. She said her sister called and she's gotta go, and told me not to wait up 'cause it'll be late when she gets home. I think she's slowly catching on that I'm not dumb like I've let on. She cares so little, she don't even try to hide what's going on. So for now I say, I hope you make it on down the highway. When it rains round here, the asphalt turns to ice. I sure do wonder if you made it safe to your lover's place, and if you're enjoying your night. Oh, but I don't worry much, 'cause if I've counted right, you made the drive 28 times. 28 times. Sometimes I lay here after she leaves and pretend that I'm not alone. She doesn't cheat and I'm a strong, strong man. Well, I think I let it go on and on and on and on again, 'cause I know once I face it, the love of my life, she's gone like the wind. Yeah, she is. Oh, for now I say, I hope you make it on down the highway. When it rains round here, the asphalt turns to ice. I sure do wonder if you made it safe to your lover's place, and if you're enjoying your night. Oh, but I don't worry much, 'cause if I've counted right, you made the drive 28 times. 28 times. Ooh. Sometimes I lay here after she leaves and pretend that I'm not alone. She doesn't cheat and I'm a strong, strong man. Well, for now I say, I hope you make it on down the highway. When it rains round here, the asphalt turns to ice. I sure do wonder if you made it safe to your lover's place, and if you're enjoying your night. Oh, but I don't worry much, 'cause if I've counted right, you made the drive 28 times. 28 times. 28 times. 28 times.